Welcome to a wet, soggy, rainy western Minnesota, guys. We are on Interstate 94 headed out to Vancouver, Washington, and then up to Seattle, Washington, if possible this week. We might even run into a little bit of snow today when we get into North Dakota here in about another 29 miles. We are 29 miles east of Fargo, North Dakota. So just thought I'd pop in here. Say good morning. Welcome to another episode of Steel Horse Travels. As always, let's get her. Well, we're in North Dakota now, and we have some localized flooding across the Red River, crossing into North Dakota out of Minnesota. And Red River, she's over her banks. Um, that is not a river to the right. That is actually just water in the ditchway. Between all the blizzards that they've been having for the past few weeks, now they're going to get hit with some flooding. We've been rained on for probably the last 2-3 days or more. Yeah, that's just not cool. North Dakota is a hard state to live in. I got friends that live here, and North Dakota is not for the faint at heart. Just saying. All right, guys. Just thought I'd pop in and show a little bit of the flooding going on. We've got a construction zone coming up. So when I came through here 2 weeks ago, there was a truck that semi didn't realize that he was probably not paying attention. And drove right into the middle. So, yeah. So all these water pockets you're seeing are just standing water from rain. So, I am hoping today that they have the Theodore Roosevelt the Painted Canyon tourist deal open. Yeah, this is wow. This is definitely flooding, guys. I'll just stay on this for a minute. It's out in the farm fields too. That's going to be a problem with agriculture. Yeah. Yeah, this spot right here, straight for us, not for them. Yeah, this is all flood water. Wow. As the rest stop is underwater almost. I don't know if I'd be parking there for the night. Might take my half-hour break. That'd be about all I'd ever do on that. Wow. All right, guys. Well, keep North Dakota in your prayers. Hopefully they don't float away. They won't, but yeah. All right, guys. On that, God bless. Good morning. And as always, I'll see you next time. Well, good afternoon, everyone. We're 31 miles from the Montana border. This is part of the Badlands. The Painted Canyon was not open, so we were not able to drive in. This is about the best I can do. So hopefully everybody's having a wonderful afternoon. It's almost 12:30 Central Standard Time. We are having a quiet afternoon. The winds have somewhat subsided, but not completely. We're still contending with some crosswinds. Fuel economy is going into the toilet. I'm sitting at 5.2 miles to the gallon because of the headwinds. And I'm not bucking it straight on, but I'm in it pretty close. So, but all in all, we're having a wonderful day. Hopefully everybody's having a wonderful Sunday afternoon, enjoying their time off with family and friends. But this is western North Dakota, part of the Badlands area. So, all right, on that, God bless, love you guys. I'll get back to you soon. We've got about 184 miles to go, and we'll be in Forsyth, Montana if everything goes right. That's the goal. We're going to be sitting behind our VFW that we normally sit at. We're coming into the Medora, North Dakota. Wasn't able to get the bison. They were out there, but they were a little too far from the highway, so just that. So I will get back to you guys. God bless. See ya. Well, let's go get Montana. Yeah, that's snow on the ground May 1st. Here we go. Welcome to Montana, everyone. Got about 154 miles to go. All is going well. On that, I'll get back to you. Well, let's go get Forsyth, everybody. Still horses reading 58 degrees and 15:03 in the afternoon. 2:03 in the afternoon local. Up on this day. It's been a good we'll see if we'll sit on the blacktop or if we'll be right directly behind the VFW or not. It'll depend on if anybody's there. If it's a muddy pit, I don't want to be sitting on it. Track all that dirt inside this truck. That wouldn't be cool. Small town USA. Wow, there's no lineup today at the DQ, surprisingly. Usually there's a lineup. Judging by these puddles, I'm probably not going to. Yeah, there's puddles over there, so we're gonna go behind the watering hole and sit on the blacktop. Like they got bingo night going on over here at the VFW. Well, at least we'll have a tailwind, judging by Old Glory up there blowing away from us. Ah, there's our train. Woo! Choo choo, baby. Choo choo. Haven't gotten a train in a while, so some of you guys gotta like that. So there's our train. Alright, guys. Straighten out. Know that sound. Alrighty. Well, it looks like a nice long coal train. Yep, that's what it is. Looks like it's empty rail cars for loading up for coal. So, alright, guys. On that, God bless. I'll get back to you. Catch you on the next. Roll up the night. Well, how we doing, everyone? We are done for the day. There we go. There's Steel Horse. We are parked. We're all good. Just did a little walk around this nice little building right here. That one right there behind me. We went and walked around. Thought we were going to get a good shot of a rail car coming through, but well, he decided to stop back with the other two, so thought I'd get a train in there for you guys. No such luck. But I don't know if any of you guys know this. Maybe you do. Naomi Judd passed away yesterday. Just kind of a surreal moment. A little bit of a country redneck, a little bit. Well, no, I am a redneck. I'll just say it. I remember back in my teenage years, I used to listen to the Judds, and yeah, so a little shocking news. Well, not too shocking, but you know how that goes. We're getting back in the truck. Yeah, so it's not too chilly. It's more windy than anything. So the truck's reading 63 degrees, 15:36 in the afternoon. So, but yeah, just kind of just wanted to ask if anybody else used to listen to the Judds back in the mid to late 80s, early 90s. And then Naomi, the mom, had to step down because of hepatitis C that she had gotten. So, and this may have contributed to her passing, because of hepatitis C can relate to depression, and she battled some depression from what I gather. So just kind of a sad day in a little way, you know, losing another great voice. So just that. But we made it here to Forsyth, and we got dinner cooking in the crock pot back there. No words of wisdom today, just a good day of driving, other than load planning and planning your routes. Yeah, I don't know, just kind of bleh. I really got nothing, guys. I hope everybody's having a wonderful weekend. Mine was very quick and done. But at least I was able to get into church with Mama yesterday, so that was always it's always a good thing to get your week started, you know, get refocused, recentered. So, all right, guys. Well, I'm gonna let you guys know. We're gonna roll the cords up on this. We'll get back on the road somewhere around 1, 2 in the morning, something like that. So, no real big super rush, but we'll leave early enough anyway. So, if everything goes right, we'll be sitting in Lind, Washington, at the TA. Or the TA? My goodness. At the Chevron Travel Plaza, which is not really Lind. I mean, you're going past Lind. I, as one of my subs, Dana, would say, it's because it's just in the zip code. I think it's back behind me where the town of Lind actually is. So, all right, guys. On that, God bless. Love you guys. And as always, Lord willing, I'll see you tomorrow.